Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to find your like post on Instagram. It is very simple, so let's get started right away. The first thing you want to do is to open up the Instagram app. Once you're here, you want to go to the bottom right corner to click your profile. Then you want to click on the three little lines in the top right. So instead of clicking settings like many other tutorials, you want to click your activity. And here it's going to show you many different things, such as the time spent on Instagram, the photos or videos that you recently shared, the account history, and much more. But if you're still looking for the likes, you just want to go to interactions. And then here you can see likes, just click on likes. And then here you can scroll down and see all the liked videos or pictures that you've liked. I hope this helps, and if it did, please make sure to leave a like to the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as it helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you